So I have taken 2 cups of large granulated sugar to make a powder of it. Although if you have already super fine granulated sugar, you can use it directly. Since my super fine granulated sugar is over, so I have to grind it separately. So I have taken 1 cup of flour. So I'll add half a teaspoon of baking powder to this flour. Now I will take 4 eggs and beat them properly. So now I have to whisk the egg very nicely. So the fluffiness of the cake depends on how nicely you have whisked your egg. So my powdered sugar is ready. Now I will add this powdered sugar to the egg mixture or the whisked egg. So you have to mix the powdered sugar and the whisked egg in this way. You have to add the sugar. This is a tip. You have to add the sugar in 1/3 so that it doesn't form any lump. You have to mix it very carefully and you have to just beat it in this way so that your cake will be very fluffy and soft. So now I'll add this hot chocolate powder, Cadbury hot chocolate powder, to the flour and baking powder mixture. So if you want only simple vanilla cake or simple cake, then you have to skip this step. But since I am making like chocolate cake, chocolate vanilla cake kind of a thing, so I have to add this. Now I will be adding this mixture to the egg and sugar mixture. I will add in such a way so that there will be no lumps formed over here. So I have to mix it very well. Mix it very well. Just mix and mix and mix. The mool mantra of preparing any kind of cake is just you have to go on mixing, mixing and mixing. So right now at this stage your cake mixture will look very yummy. You will feel like having your cake mixture directly. But yes, no, you have to wait patiently to make a fluffy cake. So yes, that's how yummy it looks. So I have added 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence to the cake mixture. And you have to again mix it very well. So my cake is all ready. So now let's see how it looks. Okay. So this is how it looks, and I have to cut it off and I'll show you the final plating of it. The smell is amazing. So I have taken it out in plate and this is how it looks. Raw homemade cake. I have not garnished it with any kind of chocolate layer or anything stuff like that, but it tastes yummy. It's a simple homemade cake for my husband because he was hungry, so I had to make any kind of snacks. So yes, this is what I thought would be delicious snack for him to munch on. So yeah, that's all about it. Do try it.